saw that one of the hourglasses had developed a tiny crack, and the golden sand was slowly spilling out. Alarmed, Elohim realized that a precious moment was in danger of vanishing forever. Once upon a time, in the hidden depths of an enchanted forest, where time flowed like a gentle river and every second glistened with magic, lived a remarkable fairy named Elohim, known as the Timekeeper Fairy. Unlike her king, who flitted about spreading laughter and mischief, Elohim held a unique responsibility. She was the guardian of time itself in their realm. Elohim's wings were unlike any seen before. They sparkled with tiny, delicate hourglasses filled with golden sand that shimmered into the light. Each hourglass held a precious moment, a small fragment of time, and when the sand ran out, the moment would be forever lost. Elohim cherished each one and took her role seriously, for she knew the importance of every fleeting second. One day, while Elohim was tending to the great clock tree, a towering ancient tree with branches like clockwork that kept the rhythm of time for their world, she felt an unusual twinge in her wings. When she looked closer, she saw that one of the hourglasses had developed a tiny crack, and the golden sand was slowly spilling out. Alarmed, Elohim realized that a precious moment was in danger of vanishing forever. Determined to save it, she followed the delicate trail of golden sand, which led her beyond the forest to a quiet little village nestled in a valley. In this village, Elohim noticed something peculiar. The villagers seemed to be rushing through their lives, barely noticing the world around them. From sunrise to sundown, they were consumed with their tasks, worries, and routines, unaware that they were letting precious moments slip through their fingers like water. Seeing this, Elohim's heart grew heavy. She knew that moments were not meant to be lost in haste, so she decided to intervene. With a swirl of her magic, Elohim sprinkled her fairy dust over the village, casting a gentle spell that slowed time. Suddenly, everything shifted. The villagers paused. Their hurried steps became slower, and they began to notice the simple beauty among them. They saw the vibrant blooms of flowers, felt the warmth of the sun on their skin, and heard the laughter of children playing. For the first time in a long while, they took a deep breath, savoring the present moment instead of rushing to the next. Elohim watched with joy as the crack in her hourglass began to mend, each grain of golden sand slowly returning to its rightful place. But her victory was short-lived. From the shadows, a mischievous sprite named Tink had been watching Elohim's work. Tink was no ordinary sprite. He thrived on chores and released in disorder. Seeing Elohim restore peace to the village irritated him, he decided to ruin her work with a flick of his own twisted magic. He cast a spell that made the time rush forward faster and faster, causing the villagers to return to their hurried lives, even more frenzied than before. Elohim, underrated, comforted Tink. She knew that the only way to save the village and restore the balance was to best him at his own game. Tink, she called out, "Let's settle this. I challenge you to a race through time itself. If you win, I'll leave and you can cause as much chaos as you wish. But if I win, you'll leave the village in peace and never meddle with time again." Tink's eyes gleamed with excitement, and he agreed. The race was set. At the crack of dawn, they both took off, zooming through time's winding river. They darted through ages, from ancient forests to bustling cities, from war sunsets to freezing winters. Tink, slay, and cunning used every trick he knew to throw Elohim off course. But Elohim was steady, focused, and guided by her deep love for each passing moment. She moved gracefully, gliding through time's current, her wings shimmering as each hourglass held her steady. The final leg of the race brought them to the edge of the great clock tree itself, where time's heartbeat pulsed strongest. With a surge of determination, Elohim surged forward, leaving Tink behind, and crossed the finish line first. Defeated, Tink glowed, but he had no choice but to keep his promise. He retreated into the shadows, leaving the village and Elohim in peace. As he vanished, the frantic pace he had imposed lifted, and the village returned to its gentle rhythm. Elohim watched as the villagers resumed their newfound appreciation for the present, talking each moment with a sense of wonder. The crack in her hourglass fully mended, and the golden sand shone brightly once more. She smiled, feeling that her duty had not only protected time, but had also touched the hearts of those who lived within it. As she flew back to the great clock, Elohim whispered a quiet promise to herself. She would continue to guard time, cherishing every second and helping others remember the beauty of each precious moment. And so, with her wings of golden hourglass, the timekeeper fairy kept watch over the enchanted world, ensuring that every heartbeat of time was treasured and never lost. As our tale of the timekeeper fairy comes to a close, we hope you've enjoyed the magic and mystery of Elohim's world. Thank you for watching. If you love stories filled with wonder and adventure, make sure to like and subscribe for more enchanting tales. Stay tuned for more magical journeys and unforgettable characters in our upcoming stories. Until next time, remember to cherish each precious moment. See you soon.